What's going on, everybody? It's Tyler from CleanCo401. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn those notifications on. We do post new content each and every single week. Today, I'm going to be opening two Snkrflea mystery boxes. These were the March Snkrflea mystery boxes. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I got one package. I'm hoping they both came in here. So let's see what we got. So each came with a tea, and I'm feeling two teas in here. Alright, so the first one is a antisocial social tea, medium, and it looks like the same one we got in the previous Snkrflea mystery box. I'm going to throw that up for you guys in 1 second. So this is what that tea looks like. This is the front. This is the back, as you see the giant antisocial social club on the back of the tea. The dope tea. I like this tea. I actually wore the first one. This is the first one. I didn't open this one yet. I'm probably not going to open this one, but I do love this tea. I wear it a lot. Great tea, great tea. Fly tea. Shout out to Snkrflea for another one. Alright, so now, we're praying. Have your fingers crossed. Golden ticket. No golden ticket. However, this does look like a revenge tea. I love me some revenge teas, and yes, that is exactly what it is. The revenge branding on the front, and that cool texture. I like that texture on the front, and the graphics on the back of the t-shirt. This is a dope t-shirt. So I can't find this exact antisocial social club tee on StockX or anywhere else. However, most antisocial social club tees do sell for around 80 bucks, depending on where you sell it, to whom you sell it. Am going to check Google quick. Alright, yup, I found it on Google. One place for $89 at Stadium Goods, at Soul City for 100 bucks. So that tee is in the range of $80 to $100, depending on where you sell it, how you sell it. And now for the revenge tee. Alright, so I found this revenge tee on Grailed for $121 in a large, so you can probably get 100 bucks for the medium. So overall, I spent 60 bucks each on these mystery boxes. I made a grand total of 200 bucks if I were to sell both t-shirts at $100, which is a profit of 80 bucks. Profit of $80. That's absolutely incredible for what these mystery boxes are doing. However, Snkrflea, what the hell? I need a gold. If I don't get a golden ticket in the next mystery box, I'm gonna be real pissed off. You're going to get a very, very, very unhappy customer if I don't have a golden ticket in the next one. I'm just kidding. It's all love. It is all love. Shout out to Snkrflea for doing these mystery boxes monthly, helping out the community. We all love it so much. Thank you guys so much for tuning into every video every single week. I love you guys so much. Please make sure you are subscribed. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that thumbs up underneath it. Also, please make sure you leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Also, go over to the Instagram at CleanCo401 for daily sneaker content. If you liked this sneaker mystery box video, please let me know in the comments. I've been considering doing some more expensive ones, some sneaker mystery boxes, so let me know if you guys do enjoy this content. I have some more recently released sneaker reviews coming out at the end of this week, so make sure the notifications are on. Thank you guys so much. I will see you next time.